If you need to update apps on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got some simple steps to help you out. Keeping your apps up to date ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. Here's how to do it. Solution 1. Update apps from the App Store. Open App Store, tap your profile icon at the top right of the screen, scroll down to see Available Updates, tap Update next to the apps you want to update or tap Update All to update all apps. Solution 2. Enable automatic updates. Open Settings, scroll down and tap App Store, toggle on App Updates under Automatic Downloads. This will allow your iPhone to automatically update apps when new versions are available. Solution 3. Check for iOS updates. Sometimes updating iOS can also resolve issues with app updates. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. By following these steps, you should be able to update your apps on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.